Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now we are starting physics, and in today's video we're going to be looking at energy stores and systems. At the end of this video you should be able to list all the energy stores, ways they are transferred, and everyday uses in which energy is transferred. So let's start off with the most important information about energy, and that is energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can be transferred between different stores of energy. This is called conservation of energy. The energy stores include elastic potential energy store, so anything that can be stretched. A good example of this is a simple spring. Chemical store of energy, which is the release of energy from a substance when it undergoes a chemical reaction. We also have electrostatic energy, which is when two electrical charges of which attract and repel. A good example of that is when you rub a balloon on your head and try and stick it to the wall, and that it sticks to the wall because the two surfaces have different electrical charges, which causes an attraction. Another store is gravitational potential energy, which is pretty much anything in a gravitational field or anything that can fall, and that can be seen when when anything falls, Also there's kinetic energy store, which is pretty much anything that moves. So a car moves, a van moves, we move, animal moves. That's all kinetic energy. Particles moving. Yeah. We also have magnetic energy store, which is seen in magnets of magnetic fields attracting and repelling. So yeah. And the last two energy stores are thermal energy, which is heat energy, which a good example of this is anything that releases heat. So like a fire, which releases heat into the surroundings and converts it into the thermal store. And we also have nuclear, which is the energy that is stored in the nucleus of an atom. So when you split an atom, it releases energy, which is what they do in nuclear plants. And now energy can be transferred from all these energy stores via 4 different ways. It can be done mechanically, electrically, can be done via heating, and radiation, so such as light and sound. And so let's have a look at things that happen in our lives that are an example of this transfer. So one example is boiling water. Energy is being transferred from electrical energy to thermal to heat the water, and it is being transferred electrically. So let's have a look at a system. A system is a group of objects, and when it changes, energy is being transferred between the objects. And now you can have an open system and a closed system. An open system is where matter and energy can be transferred from inside the system to the surrounding areas. In a closed system, matter can't be transferred from inside the system to the surrounding areas, but energy can. And now we have an isolated system where neither one of those can be transferred from in and out of the system. thank you all for watching. I really hoped you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want us to talk about something else, please leave a comment. And thank you for watching.